Yep. Hey everybody, this is what the U.S. Postal Service does for you. Risks our own lives for everybody's mail. Mail, for God's sake. And I'm stuck. These trucks are useless. All they do is fishtail and crap. This is craziness, and I don't know why the post office even puts our lives in danger like this. It's foolish. It's irresponsible. And I'm never going to even get in at this rate. Well, I got in, so we'll see if I can get back out. There's my first box. All for you people. Because, gosh, we got to be the better part of the government and do everything the right way, the wrong way. Alright, adios.